this is one of the question which is maximization type. Now, before starting maximization type for assignment, okay, I'll explain you something about this question. A company has team of 4 salesmen and there are 4 districts, and I hope to see all of you as salesmen one day, because what happens, our TPO, matlab he is also like, there is no job opportunity, so people are getting into sales only, and our students are not interested into sales even though the package is very high. So consider yourself as a salesman, okay, for start. So there are 4 salesmen and there are 4 districts where the company wants to start its business. After taking into account the capability of salesmen and the nature of district, matlab suppose karo this is Mumbai, this is Panvel, this is Bandra, and this is Lokhandwala, okay, and this salesman is like Adnan, then Faizan, then Hifzur Rahman,
Naushad.
and then Naushad. So now you know that Naushad is more suited for 4th, Lokhandwala, correct? And Faizan will be more suited for Kurla, Mumbai, Dharavi. Okay, so this is the thing that will be going to happen. So after taking into account the capability of salesmen and the nature of district, the company estimates the profit per day. So since it is told that this is profit matrix, therefore, even though it is not told assign the salesman. Now, what is said here is find the assignment of salesmen to various districts. Suppose this is not written. Even though if it is not written, you should read that there is something like profit. So you should understand that this is maximization. So whenever there is maximization, we can't use Hungarian method. Okay. So to use Hungarian method, always maximization should be in minimization, because assignment is only possible for minimization type. So convert maximization into minimization. How do you convert? Whatever is the largest value in the maximization cell, largest value minus main values. Okay, whatever is the main value in the cell. So what is the largest value that you can see here? I think 16, correct? So what you have to do, 16 minus 16, 0. Okay, 16 minus 10, largest value minus main value. 16 minus 10 will be 6, then 2, then 5. Is it okay for everyone? Shall I proceed?
Yes.
Next.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
16 will be common for everyone. Huh? So 16 minus 14, 2, 5, 1.
Sir, 1 आएगा ना 15 minus 14.
16 ना, सॉरी 16 है ना बेटा. मैक्सिमम पूरे का देखना, लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ मैट्रिक्स माइनस द वैल्यू ऑफ सेल. ओके नाउ, तो 16 minus 14, 2, 5, 1, 1. Okay now. Next again. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
1, 1, 3, 4. Last one will be 3, 4, 2, 1. Now R minus R min करेंगे. तो we will do R minus R min. देखो क्या हो जाएगा. 0, 6, 2, 5 as it is. Next 1 माइनस होगा तो 1, 4, 0, 0. नेक्स्ट 1 माइनस होगा तो 0, 0, 2, 3. फिर क्या माइनस होगा, 1 माइनस होगा तो 2, 3, 1, 0. सी माइनस सी मिन की किसी को जरूरत नहीं है. दिख रहा है, सब में 0 है. दिख रहा है ना, करके देख लेना. अब देखो एलोकेट करना है, एलोकेट हो गया, ये कैंसिल हो गया. यहाँ एलोकेट नॉट पॉसिबल, एलोकेशन पॉसिबल कर दिया, कुछ कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है. फिर यहाँ पे एलोकेशन पॉसिबल, ये क्या हो गया, कैंसिल. फिर यहाँ पे एलोकेशन पॉसिबल, सिंपल. यस और नो. पोजीशन देखो कौन कौन सी है, 1, 3, 2, 4. तो ये वाला टेबल नहीं देखने का, यही देखने का, मैक्सिमाइज करना है ना. तो 1, 3, 2, 4. तो दिस इज द मैक्सिमाइजेशन. ओके. तो 16 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. How much will be the value? 61 if I am not wrong. कितना आया? How much is the value?
61.
A.
61.
Salesman A will go to district 1. Salesman B will go to district 3. Salesman C will go to district 2. And salesman D will go to district 4. अब अगर सपोज करो इसमें बोला होता सेल्समैन 1 यहाँ नहीं जा सकता, तो वहां पे डैश लिखा रहता. ठीक है. अगर इक्वल नहीं रहता तो 0 ऐड कर देता, करेक्ट। तो जितने भी कंस्ट्रेंट पड़े हो सबके सब यूज कर सकते हैं। हंगेरियन यूज करना पड़ता तो हंगेरियन इस पे ही यूज करता। हाँ, अगर एलोकेशन नहीं होता तो इसी को प्रोसीड करते, हम आगे लेके जाते, टिक टिक खेलते, कंप्लीट करते और वापस से यहीं पे लेके आके एलोकेट करते। ओके, इज इट ओके फॉर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Let me complete the lecture just by telling you what are we going to do in the next lecture. We will take some question on non-square, okay, some miscellaneous question, मतलब typical question exam में जो पूछा है, I'll take that thing, very important questions that are there in the exam that we need to solve, and one more thing, traveling salesman problem. ये एक नया टाइप है असाइनमेंट। ये अभी ये जो क्वेश्चन था ये ट्रैवलिंग सेल्समैन नहीं है, अलग है, ये कहानी अलग है। ट्रैवलिंग सेल्समैन प्रॉब्लम नेक्स्ट टाइम बताता हूँ। तो इट विल टेक 2 hours more, eventually it will take 2 hours more, but we will be able to complete it. If I get time in between this week, I'll allocate the lecture for you. Will it be possible for you to come? We can come for 1 hour, not more than that. Is it okay?
ठीक है सर।
Okay, chalo. Are you understanding the topics? Not an issue, I hope.